So, you have made your first $10,000. Finally. It is true that money will disappear if you fail to spend and invest wisely. So, how can you invest this large sum of money and get more? You are tired of letting your money sit in a savings account, barely earning any interest. What can you do? Well, here's what we advise you do. Invest. But not just to invest in anything, but to invest wisely. It's time to take control of your financial future and start investing your hard-earned cash. But with so many options out there, it can take time to figure out where to start. We have put together a list of 7 awesome ways to invest your first $10,000. So, whether you're just starting out as an investor or looking for new ways to grow your wealth, these strategies will help you make the most of your money and achieve financial success. Welcome to 9 to 5 Finance, where you get to learn about smart finance and investing. So grab your favorite snack and join us as we explore the top 7 avenues. You will want to take advantage of it. The stock market is undoubtedly our first pick. You can invest in stocks through a brokerage account. When you purchase stocks, you can potentially earn a return on your investment through dividends and capital appreciation. To help you get started, you need to open a brokerage account and choose individual stocks to invest in. Or you can use a robo-advisor platform that uses algorithms to build a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. With firms like E-Trade and TD Ameritrade, you can open an online discount brokerage account. You should keep in mind that investing in a stock market carries risk, and it's essential to do your research and diversify your portfolio to manage that risk. There is another option to consider if stocks are not your thing. You can look into investing in real estate. Real estate investment trust, REITs, or crowdfunding is very lucrative. There is little to no risk attached to this method. Although real estate can be a profitable investment, it can also be expensive and time-consuming to buy and manage a property. One way to invest in real estate without the hassle is through real estate investment trusts. REITs are companies that own and operate income-generating properties, and they allow investors to buy shares in the trust and earn a share of the profits. Another option is to use crowdfunding platforms, which allow you to invest small amounts of money in real estate projects, potentially earning a return through rental income or appreciation. Keep in mind that real estate investing carries some risk, so it's important to do your research. You can choose from a wide variety of REITs. Making a start with REITs is really straightforward thanks to the internet. Fundrise is by far the most straightforward approach to start investing in real estate. Utilizing Fundrise has a number of advantages, including affordable rates. Most investors incur annual fees of 0.30 to 0.50 of their invested capital. This is an excellent method to invest money without risking having fees eat up all of your returns. The third option you can also look into is to try and invest in a mutual fund or index fund. Mutual funds and index funds are investment vehicles that allow you to invest in a diverse portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other securities. These types of investments can be an excellent way to start investing because they offer professional management and diversification, which can help reduce risk. Some mutual and index funds have minimum investment requirements, so you may need to invest more than $10,000 to get started. However, many mutual and index funds also offer smaller investment options, such as mutual fund shares or exchange-traded funds or ETFs, which can be purchased for as few as a few $100s. Next, have you heard of crowdfunding or peer-to-peer lending? Crowdfunding and peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to invest in small businesses or individual borrowers in exchange for a return on your investment. These types of assets can be risky, as any collateral does not back them. There is no guarantee of a return. However, they can also offer the potential for high returns and the opportunity to support small businesses or individuals in need of funding. Then there is the choice to invest in a high-yield savings account or certificate of deposit. If you're looking for a low-risk investment option, a high-yield savings account or CD can be a good choice. These types of accounts offer a higher interest rate than traditional savings accounts and are FDIC insured, which means that the government backs your money up to a certain amount. High-yield savings accounts and CDs usually have a minimum deposit requirement, so you may need to invest more than $10,000 to get started. However, they offer a safe place to store your money and can provide a modest return over time. CIT Bank, for instance, provides a savings builder account. With a minimum deposit of $100, you may start an account and earn up to 0.65% annually. UFB Direct is an additional choice and pays 2.61% with no minimum deposit. If you have an entrepreneurial spirit, consider investing your money in a business or franchise. This can be a risky investment as it requires significant time, energy, and resources to get a business off the ground. However, it can also offer the potential for significant returns and the opportunity to build something of your own. Before investing in a business or franchise, it's essential to do your due diligence and carefully evaluate the risks and potential rewards of the venture. When you invest money in a particular investment, you expect it to increase in value over time. However, owning a firm can give you a steady source of income for the rest of your life. Almost no other investment you can make is worth more than that. Finally, you can look into cryptocurrency. Whether you're interested in cryptocurrencies or believe that they will have a bright future, now might be the ideal time to invest in Bitcoin. Since hitting a record high of $68,000, Bitcoin has fluctuated up and down. This has allowed many hardliners to buy low and profit later. So if you've been waiting to buy some Bitcoins or any other cryptocurrency for that matter, but you have been putting it off, it's time to register an account on a cryptocurrency exchange and make your first purchase. Thank you for watching our video on 7 clever ways to invest your first $10,000. We hope that you found our information helpful and that it has given you some ideas for how you can start investing your money. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you know someone else who might benefit from this information, remember to share the video with them. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more great content. Thanks for watching.